slow beginning to this sleepy Saturday. We have a Nissan Versa going to Maricopa. About 50 miles to be towed. Hopefully it runs. I did not ask what was going on with it. It's this one right here. Alright. Let's go check it out. Next door neighbors to the house I'm pulling up to are staring at me, so we'll see how this goes. Keys are under the floor mat. Yep, just like they're supposed to be. Let's see. Oh, it's manual too. Okay. Oh, they're having a yard sale. Okay. Thought they're out there just staring at me. Come on, Subaru lady. Alright. Hello. So any idea what's going on with it? I didn't even ask him.
It's what's it called? I think he said something like it's not catching, so the clutch. So
okay,
we can push it back.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna roll it.
It rolled back, except for that you can't get it in a gear to go forward.
Okay.
So
okay.
I can
Let's see.
Push it.
I think the hill will do most of the work. Honestly, should be good. Let's see.
Oh, the key's under the...
No, I have that, yeah.
Oh.
The clutch feels like it has...
Yeah, but it doesn't catch because they were playing with it.
Oh, like the actual clutch disc itself doesn't have any...
Something like that.
Okay. Yeah. No worries. Let me check that side. I just don't want to hit anything. I didn't look just yet. Let's see. Okay, just got to miss that lamp and we should be good. So let's see. You know what? This might be better if I just flip around my truck and then I can go that way. Yeah, let's do that. Sorry. Trying to make it as easy as I can on us. Yeah, let me go flip around real quick. I was told this is going to be an unattended pickup, but it is quite attended. Between the neighbors and the homeowner coming out, this is not what I was expecting, but that's okay. Man, this neighborhood is nosy. Oh, this is not... Well, maybe. I have just enough room to make this turn. I got an old guy staring at me, trying to figure out what I'm doing. Trying not to tail whip this Silverado behind me. All right. Yeah, and the neighbors are still staring at me. It's always amusing when people can't mind their own business. All right. Let's see, neutral. Good old Nissan Versa. All right. Good old single hook. All right. Alrighty. quite sure what the point of leaving the keys in it was. Don't think I tied that one up, so we'll leave that one. All right. That'll do it. I think we need to do another walk around to this thing and get a couple more pictures. So there's quite a few little door dings on this thing. And the bumper. Let's see. I don't know if I can even get all these on camera. Another one there. Holy shit. This thing's been put through it. Alright. Good to go. Alright. Gotta make this a quick one. I got someone waiting. And they are an hour away. What's going on, man? Whereabouts do you want this thing?
Is there any way you can put it in the driveway? Just,
Unfortunately not, because the car's parked across the street.
Yeah,
give me 1 second, I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Hey. You there? I have the phone, sorry. No worries, thank you. I'm sorry. Yeah, we can't get it in the driveway because of that car, and then there's too many cars around it. I think it'll run and drive a little bit while it's cold, you know? I think it's just once the disc gets warm.
It's very possible. I'm just going to have to do that, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because the clutch pedal still feels fine, like it didn't lose hydraulics.
It does, yeah.
I think it's just the disc material is probably really, really low because you could smell it too.
Yep, it smells like a fucking brake pad. Yeah.
Exactly, yeah, the friction material is what you're smelling.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, if nothing else, I can wait around 2 seconds to see if it'll make it up. If nothing else, we can push it real quick too.
I don't want you going through that.
Whatever you need, I mean, we can get it done.
Okay.
Yeah, if we need to get in the driveway, it shouldn't be too much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a light car. I figured I can possibly bug the neighbor if I had to type deal.
Or that,
I mean,
yeah.
That bump might be an issue. I seen her drive it once and it was like, she could barely get it to go down the road. So
oh,
boy.
gotcha.
I'm gonna have to go down there and get a runway and come bailing in there.
Right.
How's the day going?
Pretty good, yeah. How about you?
I bet you last night was good or early morning.
For the holiday?
Yeah.
No, I mean, it would have been if we did repos or like impounds, something like that.
Yeah.
Those guys were cooking all night, not us though. Yeah, we don't do anything like that. Yeah. Were you who I talked to on the phone?
No.
Oh, okay.
I was just checking her tab. So I could get on the road and get a tow type deal.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully only be here for
Right.
put it in for her and get her going.
Nice. Yeah, this thing's got a door ding on every panel, let me tell you.
Yeah, it's been worked over.
Yeah. The lady was like, yeah, they were playing in it and burnt the clutch up. I was like, okay. Yeah. Interesting situation. Parking brake doesn't work very well either. I said the parking brake doesn't work very well either. It's on right now. Yeah, that's why it's slowed down, but it's still not holding. Yeah, because usually I'll let them like roll down to where it stops when the back tires hit the ground, and then I'll unhook, but that one just kept going. All good.
Yeah, this thing needs some real attention.
Yeah. This is the only way to buy a Versa is with a manual trans because it doesn't have that stupid CVT.
Yeah, kind of rare.
Right. Yeah, this is probably the second one I've ever seen. The key is in it for you too. Yeah. Did you want me to help you try to push it up real quick, or?
You know, I'll just try to,
Try to skate it up?
Yeah, I'll try to skate it up there. I realize today you're probably trying to bounce around and do your thing. I got an option, so I don't want to keep you doing that.
Appreciate you.
Brother.
Have a good one. Yes, sir. Thank you. Very cool guy. Let's head to our Mustang with a broken lower control arm. Hopefully he doesn't cancel, because we're kind of far out. All right, pulling up to a sushi place here in one of the worst parking lots in the whole valley. Forget what oh, Moto right there. He said that's what it's called. Okay. So, it's not this Mustang, it's an older Mustang. Gunmetal gray in color is what we're looking for. And I don't see it quite yet, unless it's over here on this corner. I think it is, because those people are waving at me. Oh no, yeah, that'll be fine, I think. Guess we'll see. This may or may not work. Okay. Let's see, on scene. Fucking Christ. Couldn't have pulled into a worse spot. My shoes are still wet from the gas station. The floor was wet. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Think you're good. I'll yell if someone's coming. Ready?
Need help?
I think we got it. The hill should do most of the work.
Yeah.
Well, let's see.
Yeah, I pull up in here because it would have been a lot better.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Almost there. All right, you're good. Set the brake, or put it back in park. All right. Watch your door. All right. Love when customers are ready to go when I fucking pull up. It's my favorite beat. You got assholes like this that can't wait. Dickhead. All right. Just let it roll up onto the bed. Brake. Park. I'll hook it up from there. Yep. Roll the window down for me if you can. Am I taking it to a shop or a house?
It's the house.
Okay. Are you going to be there when I get there? You want me to just call you? Halfway's fine. Okay.
Yeah, you can just give me a ring.
Okay, sounds good.
They're down the street, so I'll be right up. By the time you get there, I'll...
Okay, sounds good. Oop. Gotta pull that. Single hook should be fine. The angle's not super crazy. I don't want to mess up their air dam under there. Oh, I didn't need to pull the winch. Damn it. It's annoying, but all good. Just make sure we don't grab the tie rod. Double check it from the other side. So we don't tow these too often because most people that had them got rid of them. Okay, the tie rod is elsewhere. Why do I not see a tie rod? Now I want to know where it's at. Must be in front of the controller. Ugh. Okay. Whew. What the hell? Get in there. There it goes. It doesn't usually start spooling in until it clicks in. Interesting. Alright. Good to go. We'll get another picture because we only got one from the back before he started rolling it out. He was trying to get out of here, as am I. Come on. Alright. Yeah, this thing's pretty cheese-dicked, but we're still gonna be as nice to it as we can. Ugh. Fords of this era all smell this exact same way. It's like the old leather smell mixed with like, I don't even know. It's like damn near 90s car smelling, but it's just slightly different. Okay. I'm glad this pickup wasn't as much of a pain in the ass as I thought it was going to be. I'm glad he waited though, because I would have not been able to get that out by myself. He was pushing with his leg from this driver's seat. Man. Had one of those protein cookie things on the way here, so I could get something in me. That thing is sitting like a rock in my stomach. Oof. Alright. Almost fell. Oh shit, parking brake actually feels like it works. Oh, shut that all the way so it doesn't chime the whole time. Oh man, got fucking CV grease on my new straps. Wonder what car that was from. Maybe it's not CV grease, might be from that Thunderbird. Just old grease from somewhere. And the rotors are facing the wrong way. Look it up if you think I'm wrong. Same thing with Corvette saw blades. People always put them on backwards. It's meant to funnel air, not fucking go with the air. That's not gonna fall off, jeez. Alright. God damn it. And yeah, it probably doesn't matter the direction on this old lady's Mustang, but still. It's a right way and a wrong way to do things. Come on, fucker. Still unsure about these straps. I don't know if I like them or not. I feel like they do the job, but they kind of loosen themselves up on that Thunderbird, which is no bueno. I wonder if the top still works on this thing. The tops on these Mustangs automatic, or are they manual? It's 2001, so it can really go both ways, or go either way, really. It's like Mazda's, or like the Miata didn't get a automatic top until like, what, 2008, 9, 10, the NC? Maybe a little sooner than that, but again, who cares? Doesn't matter. This is the shit that I'm thinking about as I'm doing this. Damn that protein cookie. I was expecting it to fill me up, but not as much as it did. Okay. Check those when we get to the destination. Well, let's see if this lady can figure it out. Yeah, I'm standing next to the truck, booming the bed in. Let's see if she goes. Oh, there she goes. She figured it out. She figured it out, ladies and gentlemen. She's got it now. Speeding through here like a fucking crazy person. All right. Oh, almost rolled my visor up in the fucking window. All right. Cut.
Just drop it right there at the beginning of those bushes, or the beginning of the driveway, like on that side.
Past the driveway.
Yeah, past the driveway, right where the bushes start. Just put the nose like there, a little further back, and then I can just neutral drop it all the way in.
All right. Yes, sir. Love that. I usually have to back down this driveway. He said neutral drop it. That's not what that means, but I know what he meant. My Trans Am used to be automatic, so I know what a fucking neutral drop is. Unfortunately, that poor 700 R4 thing saw some abuse back in the day. Oh, of course, there's a Civic coming down the street just now. Yep, go fuck yourself, guy. All right. Okay. Ooh, let's not have my hat fly away. That's a crazy route, but I guess if he gets it going well enough down the hill, I don't know. See if he wants me to stick around and help him. Say, I thought I smelled rubber, but I think it's just the sealer on the asphalt. It looks like it was done recently. Smelling something. It's nice out today. Just overcast because it rained last night. Hopefully it doesn't rain tonight. See if he wants to fucking roll it in neutral off the bed all the way down the driveway. That'd be a little crazy. Going 30 miles an hour in reverse. Huh? Oh, turn it around?
Yeah.
Okay. No worries.
Yeah, going all the way backwards isn't.
Yeah, no, that's why I was kind of thinking. I was like, damn, that's gonna be crazy.
Not bad. Yeah, as long as you have it on the winch.
No, yeah, it's on the winch. We're good. I still got the one hooked up.
Okay, cool.
Oh, you're good.
What you guys been doing?
It's been slow this weekend, but still chugging along.
Okay. Called Grover. He's like, yeah, I don't work.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
My mom's rig. It's like one thing after another.
Right.
I replaced like fucking 8 batteries on it because she lets them sit for so fucking long.
Right.
And then I'm like, that's it. Like, this is the last thing I'm doing. It's like, you gotta start driving it. Put new tires on it, new brakes, rotors, fucking
Everything.
Fluids, everything.
Yeah.
And then
The immobilizer.
put the battery die again.
Yeah.
And about the main point, it's fucking now this alarm system took a shit.
Is it aftermarket? That's crazy.
Pat's Ford.
Oh, gotcha, gotcha.
Fucking that they got rid of after like 4 years.
Right. All right, let's flip this piece around. I was wondering how he was going to do that in reverse. That makes a little more sense, but fuck me. Oh, god damn it. We're just going to go in his neighbor's driveway. If they got a problem, they can deal with it with him. I don't care. Something I seldom do is flip the truck around after I've already got the bed deployed. I kind of, you know, try to give people the best solution, but when you don't make it clear where you want it and how you want it, kind of make that your problem. But, you know, it's one of our regulars, so we'll be nice. All right. You want me to stick around and help you push, or what?
Oh no, this hill's enough.
You think so? I'm sure you do it all the time.
5 times, man.
Hell yeah.
Hard.
Okay.
That, like, never had to push anything yet, but then a tow truck driver dropped it there, or a customer rolled it up to there.
Yeah. And
I'm
just
not fucking working on this thing in the summer out the heat. Put it in the neutral and it rolled right in. I'm like, you know what?
hell yeah.
Every time, just plop it right here. I can roll it.
Nice.
And even then, I can stop at the top of my driveway,
Yeah.
and it'll still roll like super slow, and then it'll roll
Take
all
off.
the way right to the garage.
Nice. Alright. Get the winch off of there, I'll roll it down, we're good to go. Whew. All right. That'll do it. Good old Mustang.